Hi guys, Audrey here. Welcome back to the channel. We're here speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing who is currently getting her roof installed. What made you choose Gator Metal Roofing?
The convenience and the swift response. I just signed the contract less than 2 weeks ago and my roof is going on today.
Incredible. So how did you find out about Gator Metal Roofing?
Actually on the internet, and I saw them at the Hurricanes game as well.
Oh,
because
that's
they're
so cool.
a sponsor.
Yes, we are the metal roofing partners of the Carolina Hurricanes. That's so cool. Love that you're a fan. So with that being said, you are replacing your asphalt shingle roof. What made you decide to get a metal roof?
A couple of reasons. One, I plan to be in this house for at least another 10, 15 years, so I won't need another roof. It's going to increase the value of my home, and I live in a heavily wooded lot, very mature lot. So when there's storms, there's invariably something that lands on my roof. And this is going to help protect me.
Awesome, that is right. Our Gator Metal roofs are known for their durability. And I know that you've had some roofing issues in the past with things landing on your roof. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, during Hurricane Floyd, we had a tree down on our garage, and we had 2 trees come down and they hit the top of our house.
Wow.
Having those repaired, having a crane have to come in to get the trees off the roof. If that had happened with a metal roof, I don't know if it would have penetrated the roof. It might have, but I would have been a little bit more protected.
I see that you are getting the stone-colored metal roof. What made you choose that color?
Well, I thought about getting red because I love a red roof. I thought about getting blue to match my shutters and my door. But then I said, if I ever want to repaint, that's going to limit my options. So I went with a color that kind of matches the grout in the brick, because I have a lot of brickwork in the back too. So it won't matter what color I paint the house next time, it's going to go with it.
It looks beautiful with your home, so I think you've made the perfect choice.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.